Alright, here's what we ended up with. Can you see it? So today's episode, we're under the bus. I'm going to show you this diesel heater install I did. You might like it. It's just a round piece of metal, goes all the way through the floor. It's screwed to the plywood above, and then everything comes out the hole. Fuel line, air line, fuel pump, exhaust. So I'm gonna change this filter with that one. Got a new one right here, and hook up the fuel pump again, which I don't know where it is, so I'll figure that out first. But yeah, good times under the bus. I notice I got some friends, some friendly fellows. Working on the drain. And I got a bunch of this old hose from when I took the heaters out of the bus. It was in the backyard. But it just happens to work. I'm gonna take this thing that I had on the dishwasher. I mean the sink. So this was on here because I had a dishwasher under here. Believe it or not. I'm gonna cut the tip out, and I'm gonna slide that hose over that and hose clamp it to this, and it'll be nice and out of the way, kind of. So that's what I'm gonna do there. And here's this is the drain for, the washing machine. That's kind of what it looks like put together. And that fits in the hose. So I'm going to clamp this hose up. I'm going to clamp this up here, and I'm going to clamp this here. I'm going to come up, clamp this to the wall, come up a little bit, do something like that with the hose. Okay, so what I've done is made that, which is pretty loose, but it was on there before. So I got these little lights under here, stick on with magnets, and their motion sensor, rechargeable. And they just stick up here. There's baby girl. Oh, baby girl. So I'll get this together and all right, that's what we got. So good times. And it's pretty hot today, so I'm gonna get this hooked up, rigged up, find some clamps. It's warm today, again. Went to Lowe's, picked up a few things. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so I got a Shark Bite tee and a Shark Bite washing machine fitting. Some brad nails, 2-inch, because it's an easy way to put things together, and some clamps. Expect. But yeah, I've needed some of those for a while, so I got some. So I'm going to go find my PEX cutters and cut this PEX. I already drained it out, so there shouldn't be any water. I don't know if I can film it. either because I don't have 3 hands. So I'll get back. There's the shark bite tee. Goes up and it'll get mounted up to the ceiling or up to the shelf like that. Get mounted to something like that. Here's the drain. Everything needs tied up. And the brad nails, I'll put all this trim back up. Alright guys, I'm back. It's been a couple days. It's been raining. Let's see, I got this washing machine hooked up. I got everything buttoned up on it. And I washed the clothes. I took the tranny out of the van in. And I'll show that now. They're pretty dirty. Because, you know, wallering around on the ground all day. I got this screwed up. I got that screwed up. And works great. Let's see, we just turn it on. Pick a cycle. Press start. So, I guess it also doubles as dirty laundry storage. So just a couple days, start it up, let it go, and then I'll hang laundry on these rails, which are stainless. So works out great. I need to get some. Probably need some plastic hangers. That might be a good idea to pick up a couple dozen of those. See what else we get done. Oh, the shower. So in my shower, you know, got the corner. Well, it keeps cracking out. See it? Guess it's just something I'm gonna have to deal with for a little while, and maybe when I rebuild the shower, which I hope I never do. But the reason it's doing that is because there's not enough support in the corner behind it. So when I drive, it kind of rattles around, and you know, I'm supposed to build these earthquake proof, so that's what happens. It's just the earthquake doing it. I also painted all this again, both sides, nice and white. One more time. Got the trim all up. It's on a little better than it was last time because it was a little wobbly. Also painted this side of this wall for the bathroom. It was raw forever. It was starting to get dirty, so I ended up painting that up. That took a while. And I want to do the other side too. I want to take all this off, paint that white, finish the bottom out. Also did some laundry, so I'm going to wrap this up. This video's done. Next video, we're going to make some screens for the windows because I need some screens for the windows. Bugs drive me crazy and I just can't deal with it. So, y'all check your oil. Don't forget, like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.